Hi friends, welcome back to full stack application with Laravel and Angular with JWT authentication. So we already discussed about how to log in, how to sign up, all those things, and today I am going to show you how to log out from the application. So suppose if I just use the valid email and password, so let's email and 123456, this is the correct password, and let's submit this. So we are now getting the profile works, that means we are now in the profile section. But if I just log out, it's directly redirected to the login page. But now you can check, it's not actually log outing. So if I just inspect this, you can see in the application section there is local storage and we are getting the token. That means if I want to log out from this application, we need to remove the token as well, so that we can understand this logout properly, right? So I have completed about 11-12 tutorial for these topics. So I will recommend you, if you are new in this video series, please see this video from the beginning so that you will get the clear understanding and what's going on. So now just log out this thing. So if you just go to the Visual Studio Code, we can see there is backend and frontend. Backend is for the Laravel and frontend is for Angular. So if you check here, the frontend is running, that is ng serve, and also the PHP artisan serve, that is Laravel. So both application is running. Now we need to make sure we are logged out and we are removing this token. Actually we are deleting this token from the local storage. So how we can do this? So simple, just go into the Visual Studio Code and just go to the front end, src app, and just go to the navigation component. So this is the navbar component.html file. So here you can see for logged out, we are basically calling the login link directly. So that's the reason when you click on the logout, we are going to log in, but it's not the way. So we need to log out properly. So how we can log out? So instead of router link, we can check here. Suppose if I write simply href and just use the hash, okay? So simply write hash and let's see. So just go here and you can see in the bottom left corner we are getting the 4200 hash. So if I just click on this section, so it's going to the base URL of our application, but token is still exist. That means we are not logged out. As we are logged in, that reason we are getting logout and profile section. Basically we have added condition. So when we are not logged in, then login and sign up will appear, and when we are logged in, then logout and profile is working. So that means we are perfectly logged in. So we need to log out. So I will create a click function on logout, and from that function we will create the logout logic. So create a click function. So simply write click, and I want to create a TypeScript function. So in the TS file I want to create a function that is logout, and I will just pass the current event. So whatever the event, I will just pass this. So logout event, and now just go to the TypeScript file, that is the navbar component.ts, and here we'll create this function. So simple, just here I just write logout and I will receive this event. So simple write event and I will receive the mouse event. So right here mouse event, and here simply first write event dot prevent default. That means it will not redirect anywhere. So if I just click on these things, it will not redirecting anywhere. So that is the thing we need. And the next things, we need to call the router link, so that after logged out we can directly go to the login. Okay, so simple, just go here and import the router. So right here import and just write router, and it is coming from @ Angular slash router. Okay, so let's add the module name. So simply write here and write a router. Okay, and now use this router from inside this class. So inside the constructor, just add this, that is right here, private router, and the name, that is the router. Okay, so router is added. Now just use this from the logout function. So simple right here, this dot router, and just use navigate by URL. So right here, navigate by URL, this one, I need this one, and I will just pass the URL, that is login. Okay, that means we are just getting, if I just click on these things, so it's going to the login page, but we have not deleted the token. So how we can delete token? So we already created the delete token functions inside our token service. So just go to the service, and here we can see the token service.ts, and you can see there is the remove. So if I just call this function, it will basically remove the token. So for now, just call this token service from the navbar component.ts. So simple right here, import, and this will come from dot slash service folder, and from inside the service folder I want to select the token service. Okay, and let's add the token service. All right, now just use from the constructor in the same way. So just write here private, and let's create another, that is, suppose I'm creating the token token service. So now the token will accessible from here. So now just write here this dot token dot the remove token function. So whatever the function name, that is remove token. So write remove token. Okay, so now it will call this remove function from here, and it will basically delete the token. And the another things we need to do, if I just go into the login component.ts, so when we are actually logged in, we are just changing the status is true. So now I want to change the status default. So just the reverse thing. So when we log in, we are just adding the status as true. Now I am doing the same things, and it will be false. And here the auth, so auth is already imported, so don't need to write anything. So right now just go to the Chrome again, and if I just logged out, you can check from here. So if I just click on logout, this simply it's logged outing. So now the token is deleted instantly. So if I now just go to the any page, that is the profile section, so here we can see the profile works, but the token is not there. And here just see the login and sign up, that means we are not logged in. So we are not getting this logout and profile here because we have not logged in. So now we can understand we are successfully logged out. But the another problem, the problem is we are logged out, we know, but why we can access this profile section? So when we are just logged in, that time we don't have access of login and sign up, and when we are not logged in, we don't need access this profile or logout page. So simply if I just go again email section and logged in, and here just use the correct password and submit. So we are getting the logout and profile, but still I can go to the login page. But here we can see the logout and profile, but we can access through the URL. So let's restrict these things. So next video we're going to do these things. So we will create like a middleware type things so that we cannot access the login things from outside of the login page. Means without logged in we cannot access the content from the authenticated pages, that means like profile page, and after logged in we cannot go to the login page or the sign up page, right? So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video, and if you have any queries about this video, please comment in the below comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.